weights and measures of food. Today's modern eating systems make it very difficult to measure what people eat. In the past, the use of homemade measures in people's homes was common, but for a long time the act of cooking at home has lost its use. Thus, today, many packaged or semi-finished products are used, which are just heated. Thus, defining microwave popcorn as having 5 tablespoons full is completely meaningless. Or to say that a package of frozen lasagna bought at the supermarket has 5 tablespoons of tomato sauce, with 3 tablespoons of sour cream, is meaningless. The homemade measures could be very useful for populations that have the habit of cooking, and such actions were common to people. But nowadays, this doesn't happen anymore in environments that are modern and industrialized. Thus, measurements in grams, as standard measurements, are the closest to the rational concept for using modern groups of people. Food calculation systems and nutritional reports for processed foods are demarcated in grams or kilograms, and the nutrient concentration is based on 100 grams of the food. This value can be multiplied or divided by the food you are eating. Imagine that a packet of lasagna has 600 grams. So if you divide it into 6 equal pieces, we have that each piece is 100 grams. And so, we can observe how much nutrients are consumed, eating each piece. Therefore, measuring 100 grams on food labels is important to observe the multiple nutrients that are consumed. Due to the normal characteristic of the amount of food that a person consumes per meal, the amount of 100 grams is very ideal for the calculation, in addition to being a multiple of 10, to facilitate the calculations. While culinary measurements were falling into decay in popular culture, the concept of measurements linked to 100 grams of food remained the foundation for the calculation.
If you are looking for more content from different areas, visit the reformadorstacad.com website. News and detailed content can be found with system of research and organization of text and video.